Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to knit this scarf. It is really easy and absolute beginner can make it. Look how beautiful this stitch is, and by the way it is the same on both sides. See, that's one side. I folded it and you can see, because it's a kind of rib stitch. See, it's the stretchy. I like this stitch very much on the scarf. This is my scarf. I actually made it, and I didn't have the chance to record it, but I will show you exactly how to make it, and I'll show you very slowly so that the absolute beginner can make it. It's called, I think in English, a fisherman stitch, but in Russian we call it English rib stitch actually. So that's how it stretches. By the way, here I have 33 stitches, and the width of my scarf is it's 10 inches or 25 centimeters, quite wide. Now here I have on my needles, I already cast on 15 stitches. If you are making the scarf, I recommend you to cast on odd number of stitches to make it symmetrical. So beginning, both sides will look the same after the edge stitches. See? Now how to start? Just a regular cast on way. And now I'm going to remove one needle. So first 2 rows, I recommend you to make just regular rib stitch, 1 knit, 1 purl. First stitch I'm just transferring, and now I will knit 1 and purl 1, knit and purl, so 2 rows like that. And 1 more, knit and purl. So purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit. Now row number 3, that's when we start. Usually fisherman's stitch requires yarn over. I'll show you the easiest possible way. So first again we transfer. Now the trick here is to knit stitches not through the stitch that is on the needle, but through the previous stitch. See, that's where I'm going with my needle and pulling the yarn through, and now release it. Purl stitches, just purl regularly, that's it. And again, see, not knit not through this one, but stitch under. Purl, you just purl, and again the same way. See? This one, this hole, not in here but here. Purl, which is purl, and again, and last is always purl. Now turn around and do exactly the same. First transfer, purl stitch, which is purl, knit stitch, again we knit through lower stitch, see, from the stitch from a previous row, and release it, and purl toe, and see, this is the stitch that is on the needle, and I'm knitting through this one. And again, and again, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and last is always purl, regardless of that. Now I will make a couple of rows and show you how that looks. I completed a few rows and just want to show you the result. This is how it looks. It's 3D. You can see that is 3D stitch. See? Very, very beautiful, very impressive, looks very rich on almost any yarn. See? And it's really easy to make. If you have any questions, please write in your comments. The only suggestion is to use, if you will be making a scarf like I did with this stitch. So make sure you use needles one size or 1 millimeter thicker than it is recommended by yarn manufacturer. So if recommended is 4 millimeter needles, use 5, because we want, for the scarf, because we want it to be soft, right? You will wrap it around your neck, so you want it to be foldable, not stiff. This is stiffer. See, this is hard. For the scarf, I will use like 3 times a thicker needle to make it very soft and easy to fold. This is just holds the structure, and these needles I will use with this stitch only if I make sweater or vest or something like a jumper, wearable, not wrappable around our neck. Maybe even hat I will do with these needles, yes, but not scarf. So this is all that I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and write your questions under this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.